Changes to the channel? Changes to the channel? Did I hear you right? Changes to the channel? Changes to the channel? New changes to the RVJedeye channel? These better be good. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye. Make sure you click and subscribe onto the channel. Hit that bell so you get a notification every time a new video comes out. Speaking of videos, I am making a change to the channel here. One of the things I do when I'm on the road is constantly work to try and figure out how to provide more content, give you guys some more information about what I'm doing out there in the RV world, sharing the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows. So in an effort to do that, I'm going to change some things up for the summer. For the next 8 weeks, you're going to get new videos every Monday. That's right. Every Monday for the next 8 weeks, I'm going to release a new video talking a little bit about what I'm doing, some of the trips that I'm on, and some of the meals I'm cooking. You know, YouTube is a funny thing. I got onto YouTube to share my stories about my RV experience, and that's exactly what I've been doing. And now I'm hoping that I will be able to share more of the stories with more of you. Some of the things you'll notice, I'm going to change up how I do some of the thumbnail graphics. I'm going to do some more stuff on the back end, stuff that you don't necessarily see. It's kind of like sausage. I love sausage, but don't necessarily need to know how they make the sausage. But some back-end stuff that I think will help to get the YouTube channel out to some more folks. I want to say thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed already, who have watched the videos, who have shared the videos. It really means a lot to me. And I hope that with some of these changes, more and more folks will get to see the passion and love that I have for RVing. This truly is something that I enjoy. I hope you see it, and I hope you feel it whenever there is a new video out. So, just a reminder, starting this upcoming Monday, there will be a new video, and they will continue for 8 straight weeks. We'll see how it goes. After that, who knows? Maybe it'll be a thing we continue. Maybe it's something I change up after that. All in all, it's all about sharing the RV experience with you and everybody out there. Have a great day.